Hi guys, in this video you're gonna learn how to create a YouTube intro. So creating a YouTube intro can be a great way to make your videos more professional and engaging. So here are the steps you can follow to create your YouTube intro. First, define your brand. Before you start creating your intro, make sure you have a clear idea of your brand identity. This includes your channel name, logo, color scheme, and overall theme. Then after that, decide on the style. You can create your intro in different style such as animated, live action, or a combination of both. Choose a style that fits your brand and the type of content you create. Then write a script. Your intro should be short and to the point. Write a script that includes your channel name, tagline, any other information you want to include. Keep in mind that your intro should be no longer than 10 seconds. Create visuals. Depending on the style you choose, you can create visual using software such as Adobe After Effects, Blender, or Canva. Make sure that visual match your brand identity and the message you want to convey. Then put it all together. Once you have all the elements ready, put them together in your video editing software. Make sure that the timing is right and the visuals and audio are synced. And last, test and refine. After creating your intro, watch it a few times and ask for feedback from others. Refine the intro as necessary to ensure it accurately represents your brand and captures the attention of your audience. And that's it. That's how to create a YouTube intro. If you like this video, please click the subscribe button and click the bell icon to notify you to our next tutorial.